Hello and welcome. In this part 2, we are going to compile the C# program we wrote in our previous lecture. We are going to open up our command prompt. So to open up your command prompt, you click on your Start button and then go to All Programs, go to Accessories, and you should see this command prompt. Right click on it and go Run as Administrator. Okay, and then click Yes, and you should get a screen like this. So we're going to navigate right down to this Windows folder. So to navigate to a folder, to this folder, you type in cd ... That takes you one directory back. So we are now in the Windows directory. So we need to change directory again. Do cd space, then Microsoft.net. All right, cd again, then framework. All right, so while we're in the framework, we're gonna do dir directory, and this lists all the directories in the framework, quite a lot. So what we're interested in is the compiler. It's called the CSC, which is a compiler, the C# compiler. This file here, the last one here, which is version 4.0.3039. So this is the latest version of the compiler. So you may have different versions of Visual Studio on your machine. So each version will have a different version of compiler. Anyway, so this is the latest version of compiler. So this is the compiler we are going to use. It's called CSC, which is a C# compiler. So we're going to change directory, cd to the compiler, which is v4.0.30319. All right, so we are in the compiler. So to look for the commands you can use with the compiler, you type in csc space /help and then press enter. So this gives you a list of different things you can use or commands you can use with the compiler. For example, I'm going to be using this. We're going to use this to create the .exe file, this target.exe. So it tells you what it's used for. It builds a console executable. So the short form of it will be /t:/exe. So we're going to use this command, and this is out. So you use this to specify an output file. Okay, so where you want the .exe to output to, you use that command to specify that. So you can look through the various commands you can use at your own time. So those are the couple of, we're going to definitely use the T1 to create the executable. All right, let's begin. So we are inside our compiler now, the V4 here, this is our compiler. So we type in CSC, which is the C# compiler, do a space, / we had a look at this command earlier, t:/exe. This is what will create the executable for us. We'll do a space and then / and then out. This will be the output file, the file that will output the exe. Yep, they will do C. This will be the location where we want it to be. We created a folder on the C drive, that's where I'm referring to, called Hello World. That's the folder on my C drive. And then / I need to give it the name of the executable. Then I need to specify the name I want to call the executable. So I'll call it Hello World as well. Call it Hello World.exe. All right. Then the next thing I need to do is specify where the program we wrote, we need to specify where we saved it to. So that's the file it will pick up to compile into an executable. So that file is located in C:\. Hello world. It's located in the Hello World folder, Hello World directory, and the name of the file is called Hello World.cs. So if I press enter on the keyboard, if everything checks out okay, if the compiler is happy, it will compile. If not, it will complain. So I'll press enter. It looks like I can't see any complaint from the compiler, so it looks like it has compiled. So let's go and check it out. So I'll go to my folder, computer, and I go, this is the folder. Voila. So this is our application. This is the compiled application. Notice it's got application there. This is the actual source code, which is the code it is compiling. So this is how the application should look when you've compiled it. If I double click to run that now, it will display Hello World on the console. So I'll double click, and this is our application. So well done. If you've got this far, you have successfully created your first C# console application. This is called a console because it prints out on the screen. Okay. If you have had any issues compiling, you need to go back and check the video. Just rewind and check the steps I took and make sure you have followed the same process. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye for now.